Today we are going to be learning how to make this beautiful gown. The down part is flay and the upper part is bustier with this crunchy kind of neckline. So it's very simple and very easy to do. It's going to be very short. Okay, so let's get right into it. So I'm going to be using this Ankara fabric. I'm using 4 yards. Okay, so I already cut out the bottom part, which is the flay. I already have detailed tutorial on how to cut flay, so just do well to check it out, or I might link it below. So I already cut out the flay, 90 degrees for the front and then 90 degrees for the back. So in total I am using just 180 degrees for the bottom part, because I'm trying to manage the fabric, which is 4 yards. So you just determine the length of your flay however you want it. Okay, so subtract it from your half length. So I've already cut that out and that is settled. Now for the upper part, which is the bustier, I already cut it out as well. So I have quarter of my measurement on fold. Remember, I'm not drafting pattern. Okay, so I already have the quarter measurement on fold plus my sewing allowance. Okay, so let's say the largest measurement is 40, so on fold you're going to be folding 10 inches plus 2 inches joining allowance, or 1 inch as the case may be, so whatever you want. So now for the length, because you know that there is no yoke, so I subtracted 7 inches from the upper part. So let's say my half length is 17, so what you're saying is 10 inches plus half inch or plus 1 inch joining allowance on the lower part and the upper part. So for now, for the front, because it's going to be bustier, I'm adding extra 2 inches to it, because you know that we are going to be cutting and then joining, so we need to add all of our allowances. So I added 2 extra inches. So now let's say for the back is 12 inches, now for the front plus 2 inches, 14. So now I have 14 inches on fold. That's just like a simple explanation. So I'm trying to mark out the allowance that I left out for the front, and then I'm going to fold it so that I can cut out my armhole. It's just still the same measurement, just cut out your armhole. If your armhole is 8 inches, so that means you're cutting down just 1 inch by the armhole, and that's the only thing you need to do. Then you cut out your lining and then you fix the lower part, and you put the scrunchie part. So if you want me to make a tutorial on how to make the scrunchie part, let me know. So it's very simple and very easy to do. There is nothing difficult about it. If you're confused about any part, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure that you arrange it properly, okay, on the folded part, so that there's not going to be any error when you cut out your armhole. Okay, so make sure you arrange it properly and cut out your lining so that you can fold, and make sure everything is neat. You can put pockets as you wish. So that is all. Thanks for watching.